Ever wondered what happens when two great nations team up in aerospace? Let's find out. Today, we celebrate a remarkable partnership between France and Japan in the civil aeronautics and space sectors. In the heart of Europe's aerospace hub, Toulouse, groundbreaking research and technological advancements are taking flight. Toulouse's vibrant ecosystem, home to industry giants, research institutions, and TBS Education, meets the academic excellence of Japan's Waseda University. Together, we aim at nurturing the next generation of aerospace leaders, combining French expertise with Japanese innovation. This collaboration is more than a partnership. It's a synergy driving the future of aviation. From cutting-edge research to practical management skills, the Franco-Japanese alliance is propelling us into a new era of aerospace excellence. Join us in celebrating this unique journey. Domo arigato gozaimasu, thank you, and here's to soaring higher together.